Wow, look at these two paintings. They're both by the same artist. Can you guess which one the artist painted when he was young? Not what you'd think. It was actually this one that the artist painted first when he was a young man, and then when the artist Picasso was older, he painted this portrait of a woman. They look pretty different, don't they? Well, this painting is what we call realistic. You can see the word real and hear the word real in the word realistic. Well, realistic is when an artist tries their very best to make a drawing or painting look like the real thing in real life. And when an artwork is painted abstract, that means the artist gets to use their imagination and they make things look all kind of crazy. So when we look at this portrait of the woman, here she has like purple in her hair and blue and yellows. And when we look at her face, we see yellow skin and we see green skin and purple. Those are colors we don't normally see. And the artist mixes other things up. When we look at the woman's eyes, she has she has circle eyes, but with stars in the middle. And one eye is looking this way, and one eye is looking that way. Oh my goodness, and look at those fingers of hers. They're all pointy. Can you imagine trying to pick up a balloon with those pointy, sharp fingers? That's pretty silly. Well, this type of art is called abstract. When an artist changes the lines and the colors and the shapes and the textures of things using their imagination, we call it abstract. Well, today in art, we are going to make some abstract art. Now, last class, when you made your eye, when you looked in the mirror and looked really, really hard at the colors in your eye, can you guess which type of eye you were making? Was it realistic or abstract? That's right, it was your realistic eye. Well, today in art, you are going to get to make your abstract eye. So if you have a blue iris, your iris might become orange. If you have a brown iris, it might become purple with polka dots. So we're going to have fun with that today. But first, let's see if we can sort these portraits into the right category. So on this side, I have art that's realistic, so it looks like the real thing. And on this side, we're going to put the portraits that the artist painted abstract. So let's take a look at this one. Let's think about it. Was it painted realistic or abstract? That's right, it's realistic, so I'm going to put it in this category. How about this one? Is that realistic or abstract? That's right, abstract. How about this one? You're right, that's realistic. How about this one? Ooh, look at those swirls on her cheeks, and she's got a blue neck and crazy arms. You're right, that's abstract. How about this one? Oh, cool. Look at that face filled up with shapes. You're right again, abstract. How about this one? Yep, realistic. How about this? Abstract. And this guy? It's realistic. How about this? Yep, that's definitely abstract. Look at those cool lines. Love that. And this one? That's realistic. And how about this one? Wow, he has a circle face and red eyes. Look at all those unique shapes. Right again. That's abstract. Well, move on to the next video to see what we'll be doing in our abstract project.